Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Big Wes here. Welcome to a brand new video. I scored some of these off of Target. We got a hanger pack here of 2022 Prizm baseball. We're looking for Wander Franco's. I believe O'Neal Cruz is in this set. Haven't done too much looking into the set and see who's in there, but let's see what we can find here. Let's see if we can get an auto short print. Let's do this. Right. Digging into Prizm for the first time this year. So we're gonna get, I'm not sure how many blue, red, white, and blue parallels. We're leading it off. Leading it off with a rookie card of Otto Lopez. Jake Myers, rookie card. Nathan Eovaldi. There we go. There's one of the big names we want right there. Got a Bobby Witt Jr. rookie card. It's one of the looks like it's got a small little scratch there on the right side of the card. Sometimes you get that with these shiny chrome cards. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. Right, that's definitely a keeper. Got Eloy Jimenez. Omar Narvaez, Randy Johnson, Corbin Burns. We got an old school Frankie T, Frank Thomas, Aaron Judge, nice. Yeah, he's got some issues. Maybe they'll come out with a try to use a microfiber on these. Usually it comes off the smear or whatever there is. We got a stargazing Chris Bryant. This is a silver Prizm, I believe. Yep. Getting into the red, white, and blues here. Reese Nair for the Padres. Ian Anderson. Tyler Glasnow. Alfonso Rivas, rookie card. Madison Bumgarner. We got a Yadi Molina. Fearless. And a Bryce Harper Sluggers. Alright, that wraps it up for this one, you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.
Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Big Wes, he can be center field.